From the very beginning, though.
No, it's just magically you find all of your.
Yeah, it all started lining up towards the end. After you had to raise.
It unraveled, bro.
What are you playing, Connor?
I think you're Jeremy.
I know. You don't? You playing Red? Oh, you playing Red? Oh, okay. No, because I saw you playing.
Oh yeah, no, that was a friendly game.
Oh,
I was playing a friendly game. Yeah, because I wanted to play
Ireland. God, dude, I've lost all the dice rolls by one. Yeah, I was about to say, I'm like, he's winning with fucking Rapi.
Oh, well, that'd be great. I did that. Yeah, so hard, yeah. I feel you. Every training coach? What is it? Use that hair or something? No. That whole game was 20 years old.
Did you use that hair? Whenever you were.
Wait, whoa.
That's crazy. No, that's not
Hold on,
bad.
take the hat off.
We don't talk about it.
It's not as bad as I thought. Okay.
That was my first.
She's right.
If you have enough.
Shit, I
Yeah,
thought you
you're
always
choose
choose
from.
Everybody
Are you
gonna
from
think
Boston?
Oh, man. Here you go. Power, top two. Arian, let's let it draw one, discard one.
Or you can just keep it and just draw one.
Power, draw cards. I'm about to fucking wreck. Yeah, seriously. Yeah, that could be it too. Yeah, I'll show it. I got looked out of the shit. I freaking come down to it.
Calm down. Take breaths. Nothing to do it.
This recently left me
Or real one yellow against this type of deck.
Yeah. It's kind of nasty when I just say.
No memories.
Yeah, well, it is, but I don't have the face down card. I'll get the door.
That's the one that revives itself? I thought it was this one. Fuck.
Now the 4-1 is the one that here, I'll let you. I'll put that back.
I always, for some reason, I always think it's this one. So we'll kill him. Sorry about that.
Really show him the belt buckle now.
Draw a
Tell
card.
him to stop get him back.
He know what he did.
The heart of the cards. I will AP though.
You want cards?
No, I got a heartbeat rate.
I'm for Japan. I'm for cards.
Okay, what time do I get?
I don't know. I have to say the card shop. But you know what? I'm good for number one son now. We're gonna replace Jacob.
Okay, go ahead. I need a Japanese Elsa, and you can have whatever you want. It's 800 here.
Oh, geez.
Okay, that's,
It has to be within reason.
that's reasonable. I have one, he bought me one. So if you want to be number one son, you gotta outdo him.
You should have left.
Lining card. Double handling. Here. 5-4 slot. We'll start here. So far, everybody's deck that I shuffled has lost, except for Cameron. His luck is on a whole nother level.
He's just started that all of his
Huh?
he just started that some my luck right now is just
Oh, yeah.
I was in disbelief playing against him because he had like pulled one more trigger the whole time. I had to go through the whole book. Damn, this thing has 20 non-triggers in it. That's a lot. Hey,
I did disadvantage.
What are you looking to build? Are you in our Discord?
No.
Let me get in our Discord now. That's crazy.
Hold on now. We ain't gonna pretend like you didn't get
All four of our fucking finals. 3
We're not gonna
specials.
pretend like you didn't
2
get
actives. 2 actives out of life. 1 special out of life. 2 specials out of hand. All 4 were finals. So you attack it, then I discard a card as I attack.
Don't get to draw the attack first, whatever.
Well, I have to choose if I want to discard before. Now, if you block, then you put it in there. I hit the draw too.
He has one. Yep. So each memory I get rid of another card. Swing 4, 5. 5 to she attacks. I can
Yeah.
draw.
Player, one other character will still look like from the sideline, and active one. It doesn't matter.
I'm gonna do the second ability. Combat, pop up. Attack, card, impact. Oh my god. Alright, go ahead. Turn.
You can still swing them.
Sideline, alright. That's GG. Alright. Okay, impact. Top. Range 2. Top 2? Yeah.
Swing it.
Use damage 2. I'll do one first. And then 5k. Yep.
Double reset. day. Sometimes I grab the replay.
Power, two.
Yeah, I don't have five. It could have been a five, no, I'm just, not more than one.
I'm trying to make sure you can get.
Yeah.
I got the pair now, so I want to get Rapi's down.
So I'm just trying to finish.
So you're what, 3 and 1?
Oh, yeah.
Depends, I guess. Depends on how your opponent's doing. 3 and 1, you could be tough. You could be tough.
Oh, you're on the same zone then, but I don't watch it.
Oh.
Are you picking a final?
Kind of depend on the matchup, how much
Yeah. Yeah, I should have AB'd.
I'm 1 and 3. Let's do 1 and 3. I'm 1 and 3. I'm not getting it. You're getting it. I'm at the bottom.
I didn't realize that.
Y'all won the fucking left.
Yeah.
I'm good.
And the worst part about it,
Yeah.
we